I get to take out a SM700 from GasGas. This is going to be completely different than what I usually ride. Feels different. Oh yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, quick shift. Quick shift? Quick shift. Man, I feel like this is so much easier to control. Wow, very responsive on the throttle. I tell you, any human input that I want to give her, she's ready to take. You know, as far as gauges go, this might be the most simplified gauge that I've ever had in front of my face. So taking this thing on the highway, that's just silly. I love that I'm on this thing and I'm still kind of weaving through traffic a little bit as I go. So in my understanding, there are two versions of this bike. There's the ES, which is your Enduro, and there is your SM, which is the SUMO. So I think the best area to take this out is going to be around downtown. You know, I want to try the other map and see what it feels like. Ooh, that's nice. Oh yeah, there it is. There's the power. Okay, so driving it in mode 1, that's like eco mode or something. I like it in mode 2. Oh yeah. Oh yes. This is my jam. Woo! I don't know if this thing has a gas light. I need to get gas. Alright, we're gonna do some bobbing and weaving.
Give me your monies. There we go. I'm gonna bring it back to him with a full tank of gas. Doink, 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 doink. I love this thing.
That'll do.
Alright, I'd say this thing was a hoot. Changing the map mode, changing the ride mode, it really helped out a lot as far as the everyday driving goes. As you saw, we had a little bit more spirited ride. It definitely, changing out the map modes makes us a completely different animal. So, and that's coming from someone who daily is a ZX10, right? I ride a sport bike on a daily. I totally could see myself riding something like this. So I'm going to go turn in my key. I'm kind of interested in what they've got hiding out back here. Take a look and see, you know, what's up on the menu for next week. But otherwise, this thing is a real treat with the different map modes being swapped out. So thanks for tuning in, and you know, we'll catch up next time.